There are literally dozens of ways that you can use a side hustle to make money. Most of these money making ideas have little to no startup costs and can be put into action in just a short period of time. Best of all, most of these ideas can be done online from home. You can even turn none of these side hustle ideas into a full-time income. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 9 money making ideas that you can start. And the first money making idea is sell bundle packages online. Selling different items together as a package, also known as bundling, is a great way to sell everyday items online. You can make money bundling complementary items into a kit or pre-made packages for convenience to sell online. For example, you can put together a kit of items for hair products or even sport gears that one may need. This allows a customer to get everything that they may need from one place. The second money-making idea is buy and sell used cars. Buying used cars and reselling them is a great way to make thousands of dollars a year in extra income. If you have a few $100s or a few $1,000s, you can invest it to make extra money. You can make an excellent return on your money when you buy a solid used car, clean it up, fix minor problems, and resell it. Even though this money making idea requires you to have some seed money to begin with, it's a great way to make 30%, 50%, or even double your money in a relatively short period of time. Another money making idea is freelancing using your skills. If you have any special skills, you can use them to make money on the side. From handyman services to writing, proofreading, editing, sound mixing, PowerPoint presentations, spreadsheet creation, or even tutoring, you can use these skills to help others. As a freelancer, you have the option to take as many projects as you like to fit your schedule. It's a great money making idea if you're in a job with a low season or you just want to make some additional money with a side hustle. The next money making idea is to write a how-to book. Everybody has a skill that they can teach to other people. It could be something as high level as teaching a surgical procedure to your fellow doctors to showing people how to knit or create a beautiful scarf. Writing a how-to book is easy and you can self-publish it on Amazon and other websites to make a great side income. You don't have to produce a 300-page book that covers the subject to completion. Just a short and easy guide will do. You only have to write enough to make your point effective. The fifth side hustle idea is to resell high fashion online. High fashion items can be easily found for cheap in thrift stores, online, or even discounted at department store sales. You can purchase these items and resell them online for a good profit. You can sell them on sites like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, eBay, or even Amazon. Remember, there are a lot of people willing to buy used clothes, shoes, bags, and other accessories as long as they're in good condition. Do your research and get an idea of what's in fashion at the moment. Check for prices before you buy so you can know how to make a reasonable profit. The next money making idea is start a cleaning business. Cleaning houses or offices is a great way to make extra income. You can also start your own full-time cleaning business. Homes and offices are in need of constant cleanup, and many people don't want to do it themselves. A lot of them don't have the time and they'll rather pay someone to clean for them. A cleaning business requires little startup costs and you can set your own schedule. You can work as much or as little as you like, depending on how much money you want to make. 7 is make money baking from home. How many times have you heard of someone making money baking pies, cakes, and other treats from their home? You probably know of at least one person who has made extra income this way and maybe even turned it into a full-time business. There are even people who grow their businesses enough to make them millions of dollars a year. It doesn't take a lot of money or equipment to start your own baking business. Most of the things that you'll need are probably items that you already have access to. The best way to grow your home bakery business and start making money is to market yourself and products as efficiently as possible. The next money making idea is to become a proofreader. Pretty much anyone can make money as a proofreader. A proofreader is the final person to edit a publication before it is published. A proofreader corrects formatting problems, grammar mistakes, punctuation mistakes, misspelled words, and inconsistencies. You can proofread academic papers, books, articles, blog posts, emails, advertisements, and any other publications. The amount of time and effort you put into this and the quality of work you give to your clients is directly linked to the amount of money that you can make. The next idea is to become a freelance writer. Freelance writing is an excellent way to make extra money. And the great thing about it is there are always plenty of freelance jobs for writers available. You can earn a great side income from this or even become a full-time freelance writer and earn six figures. You don't have to be highly experienced to start making money as a freelance writer. If you're not highly experienced as a writer, you'll need to take on the lower paying jobs so that you can build your portfolio and build a reputation. As you build a good reputation, you'll be able to get higher paying writing jobs, and this will help you make high income. These money making ideas that I've discussed today are easy to start. You can comment down below on the one that you're likely to start today. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.